Creations Crafting on a Budget. Today's video, I'm gonna say it is a bit late, and I am so sorry getting this out to you so late, but better late than never because it is still winter time and it is never too late to add a cute piece of snowman decor to your decor for this winter season. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a stinking adorable snowman using those plastic Halloween buckets that you can get at Walmart or the Dollar Tree for $1 around Halloween time. So let's get to it and let me show you how stinking cute this snowman is using your Halloween buckets. You can recycle them. For this project, I'll be using this set of 2 white plastic bowls that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I also cut a 12-inch circle using a compass that you can get from Walmart out of one of Dollar Tree's tri-fold display boards, and some leftover decorative sand that I had from a previous project that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, 3 of these Halloween trick-or-treat pumpkin pails. I'll also be using puffy paint in the colors of black, white, and orange, some spray paint in the colors of flat black and flat white, a red Crayola oil pastel, and this flannel fabric that I already had on hand. Starting this project off, I'm going to take and paint my white plastic bowl and this 12-inch round piece of cardboard that I cut out of a tri-fold display board using a compass with Walmart's flat black paint. Just like so. Now taking all 3 of my Halloween pumpkin trick-or-treat buckets, I'm gonna paint these white with Walmart's white gloss or flat paint, whichever one you prefer. Just like so. I took with my pencil and rough sketched a face. I am by no means an artist, and so I knew that I needed to do it with pencil before in case I needed to spray paint over it. And so it is quite the messy sketch, but it will do. Now taking some black puffy paint or fabric paint that you can get at the Dollar Tree, I'm gonna fill in the eyes. I am happy with how his mouth looks. I'm gonna set him aside to dry and then we'll move on to the nose. His face is dry, so now I am going to work on his nose with some orange puffy paint. Taking the bottom bucket, I'm gonna take some leftover sand that I've had from previous projects. You can see here that I have red and blue and white in here from 4th of July. So I'm gonna use this leftover sand to put some weight in the bottom of my Frosty. Now I'm gonna place some hot glue and I am going to place it on top. I've made sure to line up the sides of the bucket that have the faces on them, so that way this will be the back of Frosty. It'll be up against the wall and you won't see it. Now I'm gonna take and hot glue my bowl to my 12-inch round cardboard circle. I think Frosty's hat will look super stinking cute with a brim of flannel around it that matches his scarf. So I'm gonna take and hot glue this piece of fabric that I just rough cut and ironed the edges in to make them look neat. that is it for his hat. Alrighty, would you just look at his face? It is so stinking cute, but he is missing rosy cheeks. I am going to take a paintbrush and Crayola's red oil pastel because these are amazing to work with. And I'm going to put just a bit on my paintbrush. Okay, and he has got rosy cheeks, and I think he is just about done. And now it's time to add his hat. You can't have a snowman without a scarf, so I have rough cut a piece of fabric that I am just going to put around his neck here. And there we have the cutest Stinkin' Snowman ever, made out of Halloween pumpkin trick-or-treat buckets. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this stinking adorable snowman that has found a home right outside my front door. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter, and Google+. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. And don't forget, if I've inspired you to make one of my projects, snap a quick picture of it, send it to me on Facebook or Instagram because I love seeing all of your creations and I can feature them in an upcoming video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day, happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now.